Oh shit, is that the FBI?
Can you go in? Jesus Christ. Just go in. There we go. Alrighty, I've been having this keyboard for like half a year now, or close to half a year. And I've been having no problems with this keyboard. It's lovely. It looks nice. It's kind of a disappointment that I bought this, but for $30, it's a pretty good price for these keycaps. As you can tell, of course, there's no letters, so I use a different keyboard layout. So when someone tries to use my keyboard, they just fucking can't, unless they know how to do switch to keyboard layout, which is just Control Shift at the same time, and now it's QWERTY. So yeah, put that back. Doverac. I will show a picture of the Doverac layout. A lot of people call it a curse, but I don't care. It's what I use, and it's what I like. Another thing I like about this keyboard is compared to my other keycaps. So whenever you have this as the Doverac layout on like a QWERTY keyboard with the letters, it's all messed up. It's not all aligned like it does. So on the side it does like a curve, kind of like I can't really do it, kind of like that. But if you try to do it with a QWERTY keyboard, it's going to be all messed up because you just move the letters where they're not supposed to be, because they're made for QWERTY. However, these are blinks, so it doesn't matter. So now it's all leveled out, and it just feels better on your fingers. So I've been having this for a month. I mean, not a month, it's 6 months, like I said. And I don't really see it fading away, which I was very worried about that when I bought it. But so far, it looks perfectly fine. And I was so worried that I wanted to put some type of, I don't know, just spray something over it to maybe prevent it. And my friend and I try to do a Flex Seal.
Just screw it. Oh my god, that is cum. that is straight up cum. Jeez, this keyboard just came.
Oh my god.
My hand smells like Flex Seal.
It looks like gum. It is so sticky like gum.
It is cum.
What if Flex Seal is made out of cum? Yeah, I have no problem with this keyboard. 10 out of 10. Nothing much to say. It just looks lovely. I am going to try to do an associate link for this keyboard. And it says associate on Amazon, but fuck, what do you call them things? Affiliate links. So yeah. So if you click a link and try to buy something, you'll support me. Unless for some stupid reason I can't set it up, which is probably going to be the case. So yeah, please like and subscribe, or else